never see you sober if I'm breathing. Racing to the
We're going to talk about a career path that literally puts you in control of the future, blending hands-on skills with some of the most advanced technology out there. Let's dive right into the world of mechatronics.
You know, the world around us is changing so fast. It's all driven by robotics, automation, and smart tech. And that brings up a really important question. Who are the people who are actually going to build, design, and maintain all these new machines?
Well, the answer lies in this really cool field called mechatronics. Don't think of it as just one type of engineering. It's more like a super fusion of mechanical, electrical, electronics, and computer engineering all rolled into one to create the intelligent systems and robots that are shaping our future.
Okay, so here's what we're going to cover. We'll look at what this tech is all about, the huge advantage of an apprenticeship, we'll break down the 3-year journey, and of course, talk about the careers, the money, and exactly how you can get started.
So first things first, why is an apprenticeship such a game changer for a career in a high-tech field like mechatronics? Let's get into it.
This right here, this is the secret sauce. The entire program is built around learning by doing. That 60-40 split isn't just a random number. It means you're spending most of your time with your hands on actual machines. And that's exactly why companies love graduates from this program. You don't just know the theory, you can actually walk into a job and apply it from day one.
And the whole point of this hands-on approach is to get you job ready from the second you finish. You're going to be training on the exact same equipment that's being used in modern factories right now. We're talking FANUC industrial robots and PLCs, which are basically the rugged little computers that act as the brains for entire automated processes. It's real-world training, all supported by government programs like the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme.
All right, so what does this 3-year journey actually look like, day to day? Let's break down what you'll be learning.
The whole thing is designed to build your skills step by step. You start with the absolute fundamentals, then you level up to more advanced systems, and finally, you get to bring it all together in a big project that shows off everything you've learned.
So in your first year, it's all about getting that foundation right. You'll get the theory down, stuff like mechanics and math, but more importantly, you'll be in the workshop, getting your hands dirty, mastering skills like milling and turning, and learning how to work with incredible precision. We're talking an accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 of a millimeter. That's ridiculously precise.
Then, in year 2, things get even more interesting. You move beyond the basics and into the brains of the operation. You'll be programming microcontrollers, the tiny computers that power almost every smart device. And you'll be building complex hydraulic and pneumatic systems. This is where you go from just knowing the parts to becoming a real systems troubleshooter.
And this is where it all comes together, your big final project. You'll build a complete pick-and-place robotic system entirely from scratch. You'll have to integrate everything you've learned, the mechanical build, the electrical wiring, the programming, to create a fully working automated machine that you made yourself.
All right, now for the part you've probably been waiting for. This is where all that hard work really pays off. Let's look at the incredible career opportunities that open up after you graduate. Now this is a huge advantage of this model. You earn while you learn. Right from the very beginning, you'll get a monthly stipend in this range while you're training with major companies like Tata Motors, Whirlpool, and Fiat. So you're not just a student, you're a paid trainee getting priceless, real-world experience.
But once you graduate, that's when your career and your salary really take off. You'll start out with a really strong entry-level salary, but just look at that growth. It's very possible to double your starting salary in just a couple of years. And, as you get more experience, senior pros can earn well over 1 lakh rupees a month. This is a field that absolutely rewards expertise. And your diploma doesn't just lock you into one job title. It opens up a whole world of high-demand roles. You could be an automation engineer, designing the smart factories of the future, or a robotic engineer, programming the machines that build our phones and cars. Or maybe a field technician, the expert everyone relies on to keep critical systems up and running. The possibilities are so diverse. And the best part? These skills are needed everywhere. Mechatronics pros are essential in the automotive and aerospace industries, on teams that create life-saving medical devices, and even in defense systems. This kind of versatility means you have career security. Your skills will always be in demand, which gives you amazing choice and stability in your career.
Okay, so if you're thinking, this sounds amazing, how do I sign up? Let's walk through the actual steps you need to take to get started.
First off, the admissions process is really straightforward, so don't let it intimidate you. It's not about trick questions, it's just designed to find people who have a genuine interest and a real aptitude for this kind of hands-on work.
It's a simple 4-step process: a basic entrance test, an interview, and then just the standard document and medical checks.
And here's a pro tip from us to you to make the application as smooth as possible. Get organized ahead of time. Just make sure you have all these documents collected and ready to go. Your ID cards, mark sheets, photos, everything. It'll make the whole process so much easier.
So, we've covered the what, the why, and the how of this Mechatronics diploma. And now, it really just comes down to one simple question.
I think this quote really says it all. The whole program is built on this simple but incredibly powerful idea that real expertise comes from combining modern knowledge with practical, hands-on experience. That combination is what makes you so incredibly valuable in the job market today.
Look, the future of industry is already here. It's being built right now by people with these exact skills. The world of automation and robotics is creating huge opportunities. The only real question left is, are you ready to be one of the people who builds it?